So what are you doing?
Trying to put this on here.
Fair. You want some help?
No. You're not gonna ask why I want them on here?
Why do you want them on here?
Why are you asking me now? Do you feel obligated to ask me?
Yes.
Okay. Why? Okay. I'm putting them on so that I can put blinkers on.
Blink, blink.
Blink, blink, blink. That sounds stupid.
True.
Okay. We're putting it on to put blinkers on my bike because I don't know. I want blinkers.
So maybe you don't get hit.
Yeah, so I don't get hit and die.
Not sure you won't get hit and die, but
Might still get hit and die. But at least they'll see me when they hit me and I die. So they'll be like, oh no, that was a person. Maybe we should have not hit him and killed him. Can you help me squeeze this, Joel?
where?
Right there. Okay, actually, word. It's doing something. Okay. Not like, quite sure how high I want these. So. Actually, wait. We're done it.
I thought you were gonna put them up here.
Can't put them on that. That moves
How far?
pretty far.
Looks like it moves up to here.
Definitely won't work. Okay. I think I might put them right here though. Oh wait, no. I might put them up here. But I want them on the front. So that means I gotta take this off and flip it around. Okay, I wasn't paying attention enough when I put it on.
You need to name your bike.
Name it?
Name it.
I thought it was already named.
What's it called?
Wasn't it like Becky or something?
Becky.
Doesn't that sound right?
Betsy? Becky? I don't know.
Becky.
Becky?
I think it was named Becky.
Probably.
You don't just remember?
Nope.
Okay. More help.
Alrighty, so we just finished putting the other mount on for the blinkers, and we're gonna go ahead and start installing it. Alrighty, and we also picked up online a little blinker switch. I don't know. Connor bought it somewhere.
Yeah, a little universal blinker switch.
Yeah. Are you gonna drill a hole for the handle or just tighten it down?
No, just tighten it down.
Okay. It's gonna go on there somewhere and we'll wire it all in.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so Connor's wiring it up right now.
Yep. I wish I had wire strippers.
Do we not have a pair?
You gonna go check? Go check.
Okay.
I don't think we do.
Wire strippers.
Chicken. We do have wire strippers.
Connor's over here doing it the hard way when you could have this nice pair of wire strippers. Yep. Don't know what brand they are. One of at Harbor Freight.
Definitely. Only the chicken. One of my cousins is only the chicken.
Yeah, so we've taken them and we've put the blinkers on and we've ran this cable through here. I don't know, maybe over here, a better way to see it. Through this bracket here. It's gonna run along behind the fork. And I think come over right here or something.
What? Yeah, I might go around all that one.
Yeah.
Might be an idea.
Well, he's getting it done. Checking back in. How's it doing?
Oh, I had some minor issues with the original like wiring. The way they were spliced together. So I'm just fixing that up. Gonna go ahead and wire in the lights to the switch too.
It is currently snowing. First time it's snowing this year. Well, it may have snowed early this year. I don't know. It's really cold. It's like 10 degrees. Anyways, yeah. 10 degrees. It's probably what, 50 degrees in here or something? We got a little space heater. There's my bike. That's Connor's bike.
40 or so degrees.
Yeah. In here? Definitely feels warm.
Oh, it might be 50.
Outside. Alrighty. So like I told you earlier, it's snowing outside. So we went ahead and put some knobbier tires on Susan. So we can go ride in it tomorrow. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I only got one hand, so well I got both my hands, but I'm not even gonna record this. I'm gonna snap and they're gonna be on. Alrighty guys, it's the next day and we're back. Connor's still finishing up the wiring. Yeah, last night after I stopped recording or whatever, I went ahead and put the tires on Susan. Took it for a spin. It was a lot of fun. Anyways, yeah, but Connor's almost done, and we'll get back with you when we're done. Alrighty.
Yeah, we on?
We're on. It's done, guys.
Alrighty. Don't look at the wires. We gotta tie these back and a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
To get them all fitted up. We have them roughly where we want them, but I would turn on the headlights, but I don't want to blind you. So we got red blinker on the back too. You might be able to see it back there. Or right, that was left blinker, now it's the right blinker. And then we have headlights.
Ow.
Yeah, sorry about that.
You blinded me.
Behind the camera. Okay. Yep.
She's done.
Looked harder than it. I guess it didn't look hard at all. It was harder than it looked, from y'all perspective at least.
Alrighty. That's it. We're done.
Best place in Jersey.